गाडीच्या पायऱ्यांवरून प्रवास करणे आणि चालत्या गाडीच्या बाहेर डोकावणे धोक्याचे आहे.
कोरोना इफेक्ट आता राज्यभरात जाणवतो प्रमाणात वाढलेली आहे. महाविद्यालयांना सुट्टी घोषित करताच
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Tejas Frontse, host for this event, with Simran Vichare, co-host for this event, and it's our immense pleasure to welcome you all in this great event presented by KCC MSR and Emarticus Learning Reflections 2020, powered by MTV Beats in association with Campus Culture, event sponsor Soul Pants, youth partner Grapevine. With this energetic mood, we welcome you all for the competition of Mr. and Mrs. Reflection, an online competition where participants will not only be judged on their looks but also on their personality traits and vocabulary skills. The participants have shared their 3 looks in the round 1, which was open for all, and out of which top 5 participants were selected for the round 2, and out of which top 3 participants will be selected for the finals. With a great pleasure, now I would like to introduce you to our first judge for this event, Rohit Mavle. He is an actor by choice and a content creator by his destiny. Startup India magazine, from under the banner of Zee Marathi to Dhernya Bhavan to Kala Ghoda, has done a long run for Marathi plays. He is interviewed in Barholics, Startup India magazine, Daily Scroll, Indian Alert and PT News Live. He shows his charisma in his plays as well as an Instagram handle with 125k followers for his love for food, and ranks under top 10 food bloggers in Mumbai. And it's our immense pleasure to welcome you, sir, as a judge for our Reflections 2020 for Mr. and Mrs. Reflections. Now I would like to welcome you all to our judge 2, an anchor by profession, Miss Vedangi Karnik. She has worked for 3 years as a radio jockey and has an experience of 7 years as an anchor. She has hosted TV shows on DD Sahyadri, has interviewed many popular celebrities like Milind Some, Amain Wagh, Sunil Shetty, Sunil Pal, and many more. She has worked for the renowned brands like Mahindra Rice, TVS, Yamaha, Times of India, and now we welcome you, ma'am, as a judge for our competition of Mr. and Mrs. Reflection. Without any delay, let's begin with the competition with this energy, and let's welcome our participants for this competition.
During the lockdown period, I've done really interesting things. I have been doing some online computer courses from Coursera as it has been issued by our college. Then
Okay.
I also learned to bake many things. Then I have painted some bottles. I have done many creative stuff. Then I am also into Instagram blogging, so I create the videos and content, plan the content before posting it. Uh, yeah, so that's about me.
So, what is the
Superb.
best
So,
thing
which
you have
is the
baked?
best dish? Yeah, exactly. This.
Best thing I would say Coursera courses because like generally I'm really busy with other stuff and like with the college while going to the college I don't get enough time. So I could like really spend a lot of time and enhance my skills.
Superb. So, what is the best dish that you have cooked in this time, or maybe baked? Any favorite dish which you can say it is one dish that your parents would be super proud of you. That okay, now Janvi, I think you have achieved something very very great in the kitchen. Your favorite dish, or
My
the dish that you
favorite.
make the best.
Okay, so in baking, I would say I've baked some amazing cookies, and I
Okay.
actually consume it every day. And in in the food items, I would say paneer chili is the best I can make. I am a veg person, so paneer chili, I would say that I am best at cooking that.
Superb,
Okay. Nice.
superb. And what course did you do? Like, which was the course that you did on Coursera,
I
or
have
you're
done.
pursuing right now the current course?
Yeah, the current course I'm doing full stack development, PHP, graphic designing, and I've already completed natural language processing, getting started with ML with AWS,
Wow.
and I also completed Microsoft Excel intermediate course.
Superb. So quarantining has been good for you. Has been good for you.
Yes, it has been really productive for me.
Interesting. Superb. Rohit, you have any questions for her?
No, I actually had asked her when you got disconnected. So it's fine.
So
Yes,
already
yes.
done.
You can
Okay.
go ahead with the other part.
Superb. Yes.
Yes, Niranjana. Tell us about yourself. A brief introduction about yourself.
Brief introduction. I'm a second year student, computer engineering in KC College of Engineering, uh, and just and what to say about
If you
that.
know how to tell about yourself, if you cannot describe yourself, how do you tell us something about your
Uh,
life, what do you do in your free time, what has been keeping you busy in this quarantine? Tell us
I'm an
something.
extrovert student, of course, and like I like to get ready in my free time. I do makeup in my free time and click photos.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Janvi.
much.
Divya, can we go ahead with you?
Yes.
Hi.
Um, Hi. I
So
have
tell
learned
us,
many,
what did you do?
yeah, in lockdown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have learned many dance moves. I love dance, painting. मैंने walls में भी बहुत सारे paintings किया. And I have learned I have got interest in books. मतलब मुझे बुक्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट आने लगा जब मैं लॉकडाउन में पढ़ने वगैरह लगी कुछ. तो पढ़ाई से ज्यादा मुझे अदर बुक्स ऑथर्स के बुक्स में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट आने लगा तो वो बहुत सारे पढ़ी. वेब सीरीज देखे, टीवी मूवीज एंड ऑल सब, हॉलीवुड, वो सब.
Superb. Your favorite web series till now, like which you have explored during these days?
फेवरेट वाला तो मनी है.
Money Heist. Okay. Interesting. So अभी मतलब अभी पता चला उसके बारे में all seasons एक साथ binge watch किए, or you had previously followed the show?
सॉरी.
Did you follow the show from previous times or abhi last season आया, third season आया, I think third, right? If I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
या fourth आया. I don't know. I mean, I
Hmm.
don't follow that show. So अभी आपने वो binge watch किया जब उसका है social media पे due to the memes and all. तो अभी आपने start किया, or have you been following the show since the beginning?
No, I have been following the shows. Netflix का तो मैं देखती हूँ.
Okay.
Super.
A film which you loved during the quarantine? You said you watched some Hollywood films.
Film तो Memento.
Okay, the Ghajini original.
Yeah, Gajini.
Okay, nice. I think Hetvi has joined.
Yes, sir. I was just about to tell you that our third contestant, female contestant, has joined, HV Desai.
Fourth.
Sorry, my bad. Fourth contestant.
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. So Hetvi, are we audible to you?
Rest every
Fourth.
contestant, please be unmute.
Hi Hetvi, are you able to hear us?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Are you able to hear us?
Yes, yes.
Oh, now you can go ahead.
Yes.
Even Vedang is back.
I am myself Hetvi Milind Desai, studying in KC College of Engineering, and I'm in third year IT.
Okay.
Since this lockdown is going on, I have been learned many things, especially to keep myself calm. Like I am very aggressive person, not an actual aggressive, but मुझे गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. I have learned that lockdown में खुद को कैसे शांत रखे. Like it's like कि जब भी हम सब अपने friends को मिलते हैं तो it's like कि कुछ छोटी छोटी बातों पे झगड़ा हो जाता है and we have so big fights. But इस lockdown ने सिखाया है कि we should keep ourselves calm. Like कुछ भी decision लेने से पहले we should think twice, thrice. And other thing is that I have been a little good cook in lockdown. I have been learning dancing. I have been learning singing. And बहुत कुछ सीखा इस लॉकडाउन में. और अभी तो ये लेक्चर्स चालू है तो थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ भी लेती हूँ. And playing Ludo with my brother. वो तो सब कॉमन है. Like अपने भाई बहन के साथ खेलना है. Only entertain. In a life are there they only. Helping your mom. And बाकी तो सोना ही है. And workout. Most important to keep yourself very fit and active. अभी पता नहीं है लॉकडाउन कब तक चलेगा. होप सो कि जल्दी ओपन हो जाए. ओपन होने के बाद भी एग्जाम्स तो नहीं चाहिए. लाइक थोड़ा सा काम एटमॉस्फेयर चाहिए. बिकॉज अभी तो ठीक है बोर हो रहा है घर पे बैठ के. बट फिर ऐसा लगता है कि आराम भी चाहिए कॉलेज भी चाहिए. दोनों तो बैलेंस नहीं हो पाएगा. तो अच्छा लग रहा है घर पे रह के.
Nice. That was a lovely introduction, I can say.
Thank you.
Even I thought
Yeah,
the
yeah.
same.
Actually, I have a stage fear, but once I start talking, I get myself the confidence आ जाता है कि मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
Good.
Superb.
You should always face your nervousness.
And this confidence I have got from my dad. He's like Papa is like कि तभी कुछ speech वगैरह कुछ देना होता है is always there. Like वही मुझे prepare कराते हैं. मतलब it's like कि मैं on the spot तो दे देती हूँ topics, but मुझे ना fear रहता है कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही fast तो नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं slow तो नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
It's okay.
That's it.
Yeah. Nice. Vedangi, anything else? Or we should go ahead with the fifth one?
I think she gave us everything that we
Yes.
wanted to know.
Yeah,
So I
right,
think we should
right.
go ahead. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
Tejas,
you.
you can introduce the
Yes.
fifth one.
Welcoming the last female contestant, Ruchi Gusen.
Shall I unmute?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Please tell us about yourself.
Yeah, myself Ruchi, and I have been recently shifted to Mumbai, and because of the lockdown, I just got stuck here. And before that, I was in Pune, and actually, I was there in Pune for a few times, just for a few months, and then afterwards, I got here. Basically, I'm from Mumbai only, and I've done my MBA recently from ITM. And as I heard, like people are talking about the lockdown things, what they are doing in the lockdown. So even I want to share my stories, like what I did in the lockdown. This
Yes, please.
Yes, the lockdown is like initially it was really tough. So I had like very beautiful
Mm-hmm.
hair and everything. Like it was so nice that I had many plans for 2020. So everything got stopped. So I thought let's experiment with our own self initially. And then I did with my father, my
Mm-hmm.
brother, by cutting their hairs because there are no salons. So that goes really well. Like that goes really well for the guys. But I don't know for me how it went, but it's fine. At least like I have some here till now. And then all that Netflix, Amazon, everything. These guys are really supporting us a lot in this time. And I've been starting a few courses. Like I did few internship in this time from experts. Like this is a site which has been very famous. Like people are sharing its post about like you go to the link and you do an internship for 4 months, you'll get it certified. So basically, in the same way, I did
Mm-hmm.
few certificate courses and plus learned few dishes which I think it will be helpful for my future.
Nice.
Yeah.
Super. So, what did you learn to cook?
Yes, I learned to cook non-veg because before I love non-veg, but I had that feeling like how to touch it, how to cook it, what to put it. Like
Okay.
I used to make it in the same way like how we make the veg food. So
Mm-hmm.
I learned a proper way of making it. Like the biryani I make now is the best.
Interesting. Interesting. And what did you do
Yeah.
with your hair? Like, you just cut it short. And how did you get that confidence? Because I think for girls, hair are one of the most important things or asset, I must say. And how did you
Exactly.
get those guts to chop it off? Like, I haven't got it yet. How
No, no.
did you do it?
Actually, I had really long hair, like till the waist. So,
Wow.
first, what I did, like, I chopped it here because there's a
Hmm.
trend, like, in a girls, like, there's a straight line
Hmm.
trend
Hmm.
which you can have.
Hmm.
But then
Hmm.
afterwards, I thought, like, oh God, still I have to make a pony and I'm not going out. Then what is the use of applying all the serum, the shampoo, and the conditioner and massage your hair? So let's chop it.
I
Let's
must say
not.
that takes a lot of guts. Lot of guts. I appreciate you for
Exactly.
that.
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, do you miss your hair at all? Like, do you feel like someday you get up and you be like just trying to touch your back or maybe your shoulders and see, oh, there are no hair, and you realize that, oh, I've chopped it off till here. Does it happen?
Yes, yes, yes. Obviously, it has happened. But what I feel is like my family, what they say is like, at least thank God, beta, you have kept this much hair. ये भी तुम निकाल दोगे तो like they feel lucky that at least I have kept this much hair.
This-
Like because I told them that I'm going bald. मैं ये सब निकाल रही हूँ. I can't take anything.
Oh, God. Interesting. So,
yeah.
you look more like a go getter person, an adventurous person who just feels like whatever she feels like she does that. So, this is
Yes.
what the kind of person you are.
Yes,
Super.
exactly. Because what we see, like what we learn in today's world is like, just a second. What we see, what we learn in today's world is like men and women are equal and everything. So I thought, let's just follow it. Let's try it once, like how it feels, starting with the hair.
Nice.
And
Super.
even I did like there are my few friends which has they have gone through a tough time because of the lockdown and their parents they gone into depression or some other like hypertension thing or what. So I have this like thing which like I talk to them like or mostly I had in college days like I talked to people. I talked in a seminar uh, in a small seminar. Like I'm not a speaker or something kind of a person, but I'm a good influencer and a motivator person, you can say. So basically even
Nice.
for that purpose also I feel like if I want to say कि आप ऐसा करो, so before that I should have a confidence to do that.
Right. Makes sense.
Yes.
Good.
Right, right,
So
right.
that's what I
Totally.
did, and I have like motivated some of my friends, my father, my mother to stay at home, not to get worried because of the environment. Because what I feel like I have taken this into a positive sense. Like, what if everything was normal, then I would have not chopped my hair. I would have, like, we all would have not sat with each other. We would not be here, like, doing this conversation here. So basically, whatever we are
Yeah,
going through this,
yeah.
it's a, like, we should take it in a positive way. Like, it's good.
Mm. Nice. Nice to see your positivity.
Super, super.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. I think
Nilanjana.
Nilanjana, you are on mute. You have to first unmute so that we can hear.
Yes,
Tell us.
yes.
Yeah, go on.
Actually, everyone shared their lockdown story, and when it was my time, I was got disconnected.
No problem. Tell
No
us.
problem.
Uh,
Yeah.
Tell us.
so nothing different from others. Basically, I'm into writing, and I created many pieces, poetry, in the
Mm.
lockdown, more than I do on usual basis. And even cooking. Cooking is my passion. मुझे lockdown में ही पता चला कि
Mm.
because it feels good when I saw somebody else, and and I painted this wall behind me in the
Wow.
lockdown.
Wow,
Wow. Wow.
nice.
Interesting.
This was study room, but I created a bedroom because I'm sick from I guess a few days before, and so I have to get isolated, and here I am.
Okay, okay. Nice. So I think now we can go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. So I'll give you all an overview of what's going to happen in the round one. All right. So
Mm.
round one is going to be just a minute round. It is going to be an impromptu speech where the speaker is supposed to express the idea on the topic within the duration of 1 minute. So all the participants would have just 1 minute. All right. And the judges will ask the topics. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Judges, are you given the topic? Do you guys have the
Yes,
Yes.
topic?
Yes. We have.
yes, we do have.
We have
All
it.
right. So I request only Jada to stay here and everybody else, please. Hello.
Yes. Yes. We are able to hear you.
Yeah,
I think
so
for this.
guys, yes. Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
So
So
Vedant,
what's my topic?
yes, Vedant,
Rohit,
I
you want to
think
give
you
the
can.
topic?
No, you can go ahead. You can give the topic for
Okay.
this one. Yeah.
Okay. Superb. So, Janvi, I wanted you tell me something about your role model. Who is your role model, and what do you have to say about it?
My role model. Okay. I can think for like 5-10 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. You can
Sure,
take your
sure.
time.
Okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Roll
So
it.
I would roll it like my role model is my father, and I would the reason for the same is that he has always been motivating since the childhood. He has always taught me everything, and maybe he's not there, like he won't express it, but has like he has motivated me to actually be positive,
Mm.
manage everything really well, and be it like doing anything for us, he'll do it with all his heart.
and he won't think twice. And whatever would be there in his mind, like he'll definitely keep it with himself and not tell it to others. But of course, he does have a opinion about it, and uh, he will support us and will be behind our back every time. And yeah, so he has always been supportive, and that's the reason I consider him to be my role model. A role model is, of course, someone who inspires you, who you admire, and who you aspire to become, or like the traits you like in them. And
Hmm.
for me, it's my father.
Nice. Lovely.
Super.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Rohit, you want to give her the topic this time?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So Divya, like you said, you have been watching a
Yes.
lot of movies. You've been watching some web series. Can you
Yeah.
talk about the one film or web series that has influenced you during this lockdown?
Um, One web series. Okay.
Or a film, anything.
My favorite web series. Okay. Okay. Uh, इन्फ्लुएंस तो पता नहीं, बट मैं एक मतलब ऐसी हूँ जो बहुत पॉजिटिव, एकदम सबसे बात टू बी एकदम फ्रैंक वाली। तो बहुत सारे वेब सीरीज देखने के बाद मुझे समझा कि नहीं, मतलब सब जगह पे ऐसा होना ठीक नहीं है, नॉट विल ऑलवेज गुड।
No, no. My
और
question
मतलब
is that one web series or a film that you have watched during these times has kept an impact on you, and why?
one web series was 13 Reasons Why.
Okay, tell us something.
Okay. So there was one girl who suicide in that web series.
Hmm. Hmm.
So he shared some tips. He
Hmm.
shared some tips about among their friends, and she was telling that girls are always hesitate by boys and all. मतलब uh, जो सेक्सुअल असल्ट वगैरह होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है वो
Hmm.
वाले एरिया में। मतलब वो फॉरेन में ही थी, लेकिन ऐसा दिखाया जा रहा था कि सब लोग उस पे मतलब सब लोग उस पे बहुत ज्यादा हार्श कर रहे हैं। उसके पेरेंट्स भी लिटरली उसके सामने नहीं अच्छे से बिहेव करते हैं एंड ऑल। तो लिटरली उसने बहुत सफर किया। एक जन ने उसके साथ रेप किया एंड देन शी विल डाई।
Okay.
तो
Okay.
तो वो वेब सीरीज मेरे लिए बहुत डरावनी भी थी और
Hmm.
बहुत कुछ सिखाने वाली भी थी।
Okay. So that's what I'm asking. आपने क्या सीखा उससे?
हाँ, सो मैंने सीखा कि मतलब हर बार हमें स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए, सब पे डायरेक्टली बिलीव नहीं करना चाहिए कि ये सामने से ऐसा है तो वो ऐसा ही रहेगा।
Hmm.
हमेशा सबसे पॉजिटिवली बात करना वॉज नॉट गुड ऑलवेज।
Okay.
ये सीखा। और बहुत फ्रेंड्स रखने के बाद क्या नुकसान होता है ये भी सीखा।
Okay. Nice.
यस।
Yeah, that should be it. Vedangi,
Thank you, Divya.
thank you, Divya.
थैंक यू।
You can leave the meet.
Bye.
I would, yes, sir. Now I would like to welcome once again Nilanjana Gupta.
Okay.
Good evening once again.
Hi,
Evening.
Nilanjana.
Hi. Hi.
So, can you tell me something about what do you think? Apne, you said that you
Hi.
have painted the room and everything. You know, the wall I can see you have painted. So, आपको अगर ऐसा एक मौका मिले कि आप कुछ भी चीज
Yeah.
आपके आसपास आपके एनवायरनमेंट में या एनीवेयर इफ यू कैन चेंज वन थिंग in the society, if to be on point, if you can change something in society जो आपके हाथ में, शायद you have one superpower which can help change the society in some way. So what will your superpower be और आप उसे किस तरह से use करोगे?
Next.
आई थिंक जो मैं चेंज करना चाहूंगी वो जस्टिस सिस्टम रहेगा इंडिया का.
No, I don't want you to change about the country. I want
क्योंकि
आपकी सोसाइटी में निरंजना
in India, justice system is,
I'm not talking about the country. I'm talking about the society you're living in. यानी आपका जो close area है या आपके आसपास का जो area है, आपका जो world है, जो छोटा सा आपका world है, I'm talking about that because पूरा country is a huge thing, right? So आपके पास ऐसी कोई super power होनी चाहिए. Which super power you want to use to change something in the society, in the vicinity maybe that you're living in, or the environment, or the peers and the family, or whatever you have in the close vicinity of yours. So what do you want to change in that? One superpower, and how will you use that superpower?
With somewhat I belong to an Orthodox family. I guess मतलब हाँ, seeing my friends family and all, I think कि मेरी फैमिली थोड़ी बहुत ऑर्थोडॉक्स है किसी ना किसी मामले में, लाइक बिलोंग टू क्लोथिंग या जो भी हो गया उसमें. एंड भी हो गया तो फिर वो अगर मैं चेंज कर सकती तो आई वुड definitely like to change in my family, because outside world वो उतना मैटर नहीं करता, लेकिन if you stay in a family for a very long time, you are from a joint family, then वो मैटर करता है.
Okay.
So you'd like to change the mentality of your family.
Of your family, yeah, orthodox. तो आप किस तरह से change करोगे? I think that point is missed. शायद आपने बोला and we couldn't hear you. So can you just tell how will you change it? We got to know that you want to change the orthodox mentality of the family. But how will you change it? How will you do it? What you will do to change that?
Yeah, like basically, तो फैशन डिजाइनिंग मैं करना चाहती थी, बट हुआ ये फैमिली में कि फैशन डिजाइनिंग नहीं करती हैं. इट्स लाइक झोला लेके घूमना इधर उधर एंड शॉपिंग करना, तो उसमें कोई करियर नहीं आगे. तो फिर वो बात फील हुआ एंड देन फिर आई गॉट इनटू, हम दो फैमिली एंड मैं एक उस पे आए कि निफ्ट करेंगे, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी, विच इंक्लूड्स इंजीनियरिंग एंड फैशन एंड लिटिल बिट टेक्सटाइल का पढ़ाई होता है. तो फिर वो करेंगे, लेकिन फिर उसमें बिकॉज ऑफ जनरल कैटेगरी, आई बिलोंग टू अ जनरल कैटेगरी, माय सीट एक रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट को मिल गया था एंड मेरे को समथिंग मेरा रैंक 500 में था एंड फिर मेरे को सीट 1500 वाले का मिला बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग फ्रॉम जनरल कैटेगरी. तो उसमें भी नहीं हुआ, तो फिर उसके बाद मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग के साथ सेटिस्फाई करना पड़ा, तो अब इंजीनियरिंग.
ओके.
तो उसमें मैं चेंज करना चाहूंगी. मैं थोड़ा बहुत रिबेलियस हूँ कि रिबेल कर लेती हूँ, तो वो थोड़ा सा मेरी फैमिली भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करती है कभी कभी.
Okay. So you'd like to make them understand what you really want to do in your life.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nilan. Good.
मी दिसते है ना?
हो दिसते.
साइड बरोबर आहे ना?
बरोबर आहे. ओके, सो मी विचारू वेदांगी?
Yes, please.
ओके, सो हेतवी, जसं तू आधी बोललीस की तुझ्या वडिलांनी तुला खूप वेळा हेल्प केली आहे फॉर युअर स्टेज फिअर.
हो.
सो कॅन यू शेअर वन सच एक्सपिरियन्स जेव्हा तुला खूप स्टेज फिअर होता आणि कसं तुझ्या वडिलांनी तुला हेल्प केली अँड हाऊ यू ओव्हरकेम इट?
लाईक स्टेज फेअर इज लाईक की मला एवढा पण स्टेज फेअर म्हणजे होता. मला कसं आहे, स्टेज फेअर म्हणजे स्टेजवर जाऊन मला भीती वाटते 5 मिनिटं असं वाटतं की मी विसरून नाही जावं.
हम्म.
पण नंतर जेव्हा ऑडियन्सला बघून ना थोडा कॉन्फिडन्स येतो, असं वाटतं की हो मी बोलू शकते.
ओके, पण तू जसं मेन्शन केलं होतंस,
स्पीच रेडी करताना माझ्या बाबांनी खूप हेल्प केली आहे मला.
सो
लाईक असं
एनी वन सच इन्सिडेंट दॅट यू कॅन रिकलेक्ट
इन्सिडेंट
अँड
तर
शेअर?
नाही सांगू शकत मी. ऍक्च्युली आहे ना आम्हाला आता स्पीच रेडी करायला दिलेली सब्जेक्टमध्ये, EC सब्जेक्ट मध्ये दिलेली आम्हाला, बिझनेस कम्युनिकेशन अँड एथिक्स मध्ये. मी विचार करत होती की मी कोणता टॉपिक घेऊ, काय घेऊ. मी माझ्या आईशी पण डिस्कस केलं. ती बोलली की तू सध्याची जी परिस्थिती आहे त्याच्यावर तू बोलू शकतेस. सो आय स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग. मला वाटलं की अभी मैं क्या बोलूं, अभी बहुत कुछ है बोलने लायक तो, बट कंटेंट थोड़ा प्रॉपर होना चाहिए ना. सो दॅट डे वॉज सॅटरडे अँड माझ्या पप्पांची ना मध्ये भांडण झालेली आणि मला वाटलं की ते मला नाही हेल्प करणार. बट नंतर इव्हिनिंग मध्ये माझे पप्पा बोलले की तुला स्पीच रेडी करायची होती ना. मी की हो पप्पा मला करायची आहे. सो ऍट दॅट टाइम ही मेड लाईक मला एवढं चांगलं स्पीच रेडी करून दिलं. अँड दॅट टाइम आय थॉट दॅट मी किती पण रागू बाबांवर, चुकी माझी होती ऍक्च्युली. ही इज ऑलवेज देअर फॉर मी. लाईक मी कधी पण त्यांना मला हे डाऊट आहे, मला ते, ही इज ऑलवेज देअर नो मॅटर व्हॉट. ऍक्च्युली माझे पप्पा इकडे नसतात, इज इन पुणे.
ओके.
इसेन्शियल सर्व्हिस त्यांची जॉब आहे, सो ही इज नॉट हिअर. सो मी मायसेल्फ अँड माय ब्रदर इज देअर अँड माय मॉम.
ओके.
सो ते खूप डिफिकल्ट जातं. पण ते लाईक असं वाटत नाही कधी आता टाइम झाला.
Okay, okay. I can take that as an answer, a different perspective. Vedangi, I think even you can ask if you want anything else.
ह्याच्याबद्दल तर असं असं काही नाहीये मला विचारावं. आय थिंक आय एम सॅटिस्फाईड.
You're satisfied? Even I'm satisfied. Okay.
Thank you, Hetvi. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Ruchi. So I want to ask you one thing, that you chopped off your hair, you did something very, very impromptu and something different, during this lockdown, and you're very adventurous, I can see. So share one very, very adventurous or maybe a very impromptu incident of your life, which I think maybe has created a good impact on your life, or maybe when you look down the memory lane, that is a very special or interesting memory that you would like to share with people. So tell me one such impromptu or adventurous incident of your life.
Yes, I have one. There was like there are two trips in our college times, in a graduation days. Like one is official and another one is unofficial. The unofficial one, which is organized by the people, like it can be by the engineer group or it can be by the commerce group or architecture or etc. So that's the same way. There was one unofficial trip of our engineer group, like guys and the girls. They had an unofficial trip to Shimla, Manali, Dalhousie, and like around that area, like Chandigarh. Like in a one trip, they covered 5 or 6 states or areas, you can say. So, I went with my one friend, okay, and he was my classmate. So we were like, okay, fine, let's go. And he had few other groups friends. So I don't know how to speak Marathi. So and in that time, like around 2013 or 14, it was. So I didn't know what they are speaking, because whenever they used to speak, I was like, "Ha, kya bol rahe ho? Kya bol rahe ho?" Because like I'm from North and I have no idea about it. Like if you speak very fluently in Marathi, then I can't understand. If dhire dhire, then it's fine. Okay, I'll understand it. But like when two people with the same community, they meet, they speak in a regional language, and when there is a group, then there is like no full stop. Everybody will speak in their own languages. So I didn't have that thing like in my mind, like, okay, I'll feel this problem and then what will I do? So in a trip, what happened? my friend, his name is Shubham. Okay, so
Hmm.
he and me, we went together, and one more
Hmm.
my friend Priya. So I knew that Shubham girlfriend is Priya. Okay,
Hmm.
so they are going, so I'll go with them and I'll enjoy, and at least I'll do nothing, but I'll click their photo and I'll enjoy. So that was my plan. So I went there, and there I found like Shubham already had another girlfriend.
Okay.
In a trip, it was like, it was all like totally unofficial girlfriend he had in an unofficial trip. So I was like, oh god. And that too, all the Maharashtrian groups aside, and they are talking in their own
Hmm.
language, and I'm sitting like,
Hmm.
we went by train, so मैं एक अपने ऊपर उधर बैठ के आई वाज थिंकिंग लाइक क्यों आ गई मैं, अब तो ये सब लोग सेम भाषा में बात करेंगे, अब इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी आ गई है, सो आई हैव टू अरेंज एवरीथिंग, यार मैं तो फंस गई आके.
Hmm.
सो व्हाट आई डिड, फिर देन दे स्टार्टेड ऑल दैट थिंग, ये वो डांस करना वगैरह वगैरह. सो चालू था, एंड देन कोई रात को सोया ही नहीं. एंड आई हैड अ एक्सपीरियंस लाइक सीरियसली, like we are young, so I think I can share all that thing. Like ट्रेन में भी ऐसे 1 2 3 berths होते हैं. Okay,
Hmm.
so in that berth I'm seeing like there were couples. Okay, so one couple is in one berth. Okay, in one berth.
Hmm.
And then in the mid of the night what I'm seeing is like वहां से लड़का उतर के ऊपर वाले बर्थ में जो लड़की है उसके पास जा रहा है.
Hmm.
So I was like, और फिर बोल रहे, and then in the morning they are saying, अरे we are best friend, we are best friend. I was like, oh god, यहाँ पे तो बहुत confusion है, ये तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. And हम लोग वहाँ पे अमृतसर तक हम पहुंचे भी नहीं थे, and these all things have started. मैंने बोला ये तो अभी इधर उधर दे आर चेंजिंग देयर रूट्स, गॉड नोज व्हाट विल हैपन इन मसूरी जहाँ पे इतना ठंड होने वाला है, तब तो क्या करेंगे पता नहीं. So वहां पे जाके व्हाट आई डिड इज लाइक, बीच में फिर ये लोग काफी ऐसा वैसा इधर उधर ये वो सब हो जाते थे मिक्स वगैरह. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई डोंट नो, लाइक स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और स्पीक इन हिंदी, स्पीक इन एनी ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट वो बार बार यू कैन टेल पीपल लाइक कि like just look at me or talk to me or something. I tried very hard to be in that group, but then at the end what I felt is like, this was my decision to come to this trip, okay, whole soul alone. So why not enjoy it, अभी मैं किसी का गर्लफ्रेंड को संभालूं या फिर I'll see all these things, ये वो इनसे इन्फ्लुएंस होने से बेटर I'll enjoy my trip. So what I did was I left that group, like I was like हाँ ठीक है तुम enjoy करो, I'll go. So I left that group. I enjoyed with rest all the people, like there were 40 people other than that group, like around 50 people we all went together, so 10 group from that people, and around, like by leaving that rest 40 people I enjoyed with them. I like made 20 to 25 friends there
New trip. Okay.
itself in a new trip with the new person, like people एक like one is my like मैंने तो उसको बहुत अच्छा अपना भाई टाइप बना लिया है because he was really nice to me. And what I had an experience with him, like he was like the guys those who don't talk to anybody, like there are guys those who don't talk to anybody, right? सब ऐसे शांत बैठे रहते हैं हेडफोन लगा के, कोई बात करेगा उनसे तो ही बात करेंगे. So I was like, let's चिल आउट समथिंग, है ना, थोड़ा उनसे बात करते हैं, थोड़ा टांग वांग खींचते हैं, ये करते वो करते हैं. सो बाय दैट फ्लो आई वेंट टू हिम एंड देन वी बिकेम वेरी गुड फ्रेंड, लाइक to till now. Like he's in Denmark studying, and then till now he's in my contact, and राखी भेजना ये वो ऐसा वैसा everything goes well. So that was a trip which I felt is like, if I go alone also I have the confidence, and I have this at least not a confidence, but at least I have that personality to go and talk to somebody, तो कोई मेरे को मारेगा नहीं आके कि तू कौन है. like so I have that thing, like I can make anybody comfortable. So I learned it there कि आप अगर कहीं पे भी जाओ, just keep yourself alive, and that is a thing which people need the most, because maybe somewhere or the other there were other people also those who felt lonely and that kind of thing. So I don't know whether how much I would have helped them, but definitely कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा किया ही होगा.
Interesting.
Okay.
Interesting.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you, Ruchi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
So, judges, now it's your time to calibrate and
Hmm.
send us the result.
Okay.
Okay.
So, judges, can we start with boys?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So, welcoming our first boy, Matin Qureshi.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Mateen.
Hello, Mateen.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
How are you?
Hello. How are you?
Tell us about yourself, Mateen.
Okay. My name is Madin Qureshi, and I like designing, and I'm very much a responsible kind of a guy,
Hmm.
which is like quite rare nowadays.
You're quite.
And
I'm sorry, I missed out the word. You're quite.
responsible, responsible,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
responsible.
Okay.
Yeah. And I like gymming a lot nowadays because of this lockdown thing. So that's it.
Okay. Okay. During this lockdown for the past 4 months.
I've been like doing courses related to editing, like video editing, After Effects, and Photoshop. I've been doing like a lot of
Okay.
courses right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Tejas, you can add the next one.
Yes, sir, for sure.
Hmm.
Now I request Uddesh Tiwari to please unmute yourself and speak up.
Mateen, you can mute your video.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Matin, you can mute yourself.
Hi, sir. Good evening. Hi, judges. This is Uddesh Tiwari. I'm from Lucknow and currently I'm pursuing BBA LLB from Mumbai University Law Academy. Uh,
Okay.
I am very much fascinated by music. My hobbies are singing and I also love to paint. I have made so many paintings this lockdown and I'm a
Hmm.
very optimistic kind of a person.
Okay.
Okay.
Also, I love studying a lot. I was a studious student since my childhood. I got 92% in my class 12 exam board examination, and
Wow.
I'm good at extracurricular activities as well.
All rounder. Super.
Nice.
Yeah, kind of.
So, what are the best things you can say you have done in this lockdown? Maybe some things you tried for the first time. You can tell us something about that. How is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
routine?
Yes, ma'am. The actually, I'm a law student, and I have to do 5 moods to get a law degree, to get a degree from BCI. And
Hmm.
I haven't done yet. I hadn't done any mood, but this lockdown I have done 4 moods, 4 mood code competition, and many other competitions like debate and writing, which is necessary for
Hmm.
our
Hmm.
resume. Also,
Hmm.
I also
Hmm.
have made some of my painting, which I would like to show you.
Sure, sure.
Sure.
Can you see this painting?
Actually, we can't. Now we can see. Yeah.
Yes. Now we can. Yes.
Can you show the entire painting? I think I can just see the leaves. I
Yeah. It's
can't see
just the
anything more
half.
than that.
You can maybe switch the camera and show us.
Yeah. Show it
Okay,
via private
sorry.
camera.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it also?
So there's internet problem. Not able to see the video. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see now. Nice. Is that a glass painting?
Yes, ma'am. It's a glass
Yes.
painting.
It's a
Yeah.
glass screen.
Looks very
Beautiful.
fascinating. Very fascinating.
Thank you, ma'am. And this was my painting when I was in class 12, and I made this painting.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Beautiful detail work. Yeah, detailing is
Yeah.
done really, really nicely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, now you can proceed to 1 minute talk. Mateen, please unmute yourself and show your video. Udesh Tiwari, you can please unmute yourself or get exit from this meeting.
Yeah. Udesha will talk to you later. We'll first talk to
Yes.
Mateen, so you can leave the chat.
Okay, okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, okay. Yeah, bye-bye, ma'am.
Yeah. Question for you. Can you hear me?
Am I visible? Yeah. Yes, yes, sure.
Mateen,
Hello.
are you there?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Mateen, I can't see you. Yeah, now I can see you.
Hello.
Super. So my question to you is that you said
Huh.
you are a very
Yeah.
responsible person of your age, and it's kind of a very rare quality. You also mentioned that you're one of a kind or a rare guy. So I want to know that
Yes.
men have been typecasted in a certain way in our society. You know it very well, right? What typecasted is. So men have been
Yeah.
typecasted a certain way,
Yeah.
and people think, like especially women think, that all men are same, all men are one and the same. But you say you belong to a category which is of a rare category, or of a responsible and a good person. So what is the other side of men that you want to show it to the
Yeah.
public? Like imagine we are the entire world right now, you're talking to the world, and you're showing what men are. Like people have casted men in a very different way, but you are showing a different side of men. So, what do you want to say on behalf of being a leader or spokesman for that rare breed of men?
That's actually very a bit confusing, but I would like to say that boys are like very much emotional too. It's
Hmm.
not that boys are like strong all the time, but we also need an emotional support or like someone who we can cry on. It's not like that we are not dependent on each on someone, but we also need someone we can depend on. So that's the
Hmm.
first thing, that we need some emotional support. Secondly, we too have insecurities. We're not like perfect and all, but girls nowadays want perfect guy who can love them. Like first time they can find like true love. But we are not
Hmm.
हमें we also need like practice to that, right? We first of all we don't know how to love.
Hmm.
Then secondly we also need we also find someone who we can love like in the right way. So that's the second thing. And the third thing I would say, uh, mm, and the third thing I could say, like not all guys are like successful every time. See, they are like failures, and some of them they give up at an early stage. But it's like we shouldn't give up at an early stage, and we should like push ourselves upwards so that we can be successful. But
Hmm.
sometimes people expect successful at the first time only.
Hmm.
They don't want us to fail. So it's like it's failing is keep us. So it's
Hmm.
like life key thing.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so that's it maybe. The 3 points I would like to say on
Okay.
this.
Okay. So, can you tell us about your vulnerabilities?
Yeah.
Where do you think that you are vulnerable somewhere, and people should know about it?
Mm, I am vulnerable. I sometimes become very positive about my friendships because I don't have many friends because I've lost a lot of friends in my past. So I'm like vulnerable. I become possessive and I don't want anyone to leave me. That's
Hmm.
the first thing.
Hmm.
Second is like my confidence. I'm not that confident which I used to imagine myself as. I'm like a bit lower than what I am now. What
Hmm.
I used to imagine of myself. And if I had one more, then I don't know. I, I'm like 20. No, I'm like 18, 19. I'm really sorry. And I'm like I don't know how to earn money. So I want to learn that. So that's because most of my friends, when I see them, they're like they know how to earn money at this stage. So I want and I don't know what because my family is from business background. So I don't know how I can earn money in the job sector. So I want to learn that. So that's one of my negatives, you can say.
Okay.
That's it.
Rohit, you want to ask him anything?
No, I'm fine.
Super. Thank you, Mateen.
Thank you, Mateen. You can leave the chat.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
So Tejas, you can add Uddesh.
Yes, yes, sir. He's up to. He's connecting to this chat.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. So our final contestant, Uddesh Tiwari. So you can please unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi.
Yes. So Desh, like you said, you have been a studious boy. You scored 92% in your 12th. You've been doing painting. So tell us one craziest thing that you have done until now in your life. One out of place which goes against your nature.
Okay, so actually, I was a studious guy, as I told you, so I never bunked my classes. But during my board examination, the classes were suspended, but we were called for extra classes by our economics teacher. And we came to our school. We went to our school, all of us, and then 5 minutes. We waited for her for 5 minutes, and she did not came as she was late. After that, we got a call also, and we all of our friends went for bunked her classes, and informed vice principal said that she did not came, she did not turn up, and we bunked her classes. For the first time, it was the craziest incident of my life, at least, as I never bunked my classes or do anything like that, did anything like that in my life.
Okay. Okay. And how did you feel after doing that?
So I was scared a little bit at the beginning, but after that I felt good actually. What to say?
Okay. Okay. Vedangi, anything?
Like we were.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Shouting on the road that ma'am is coming, ma'am is coming.
Why
No, I can
craziness
behind
for
you,
a
Uddesh.
very...
Yeah, for a guy who has scored 92%
Yeah.
in 12, of course.
Super. So tell me one thing. If someone has to paint your life, okay, with words this time, they have to paint your life with words. So how will they paint you? Like, tell us about yourself in a way that this is my painting and this is how I would be painted. These are the words, or maybe these are the characteristics or nature of how Uddesh is. Paint yourself
Ma'am,
with words.
okay. So basically, I'm a very simple and sober guy. I just don't believe. I'm not kind of a very passionable, and I don't know about really passion stuff. So my painting would be like sweet, simple, and sober. Like anyone can paint it easily. Even anyone can draw it with a sketch without using colors. Actually, my life is full of colors, which I believe, but for this world, I'm not full. Like I'm not very much into colors. I'm not very full of colors. So like that, so, sweet, simple, and sober. I'm also good at singing, ma'am.
Superb.
Okay.
So, can you just sing a line or two for us of your favorite
Yeah.
song?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So my favorite song is "तू ही ये मुझको बता दे" from Ashiki 2. So here we go. तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, अपने तो दिल का पता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, अपने तो दिल का पता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, इतना बता दूं तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको, यूं तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने, अब जो लगा हूँ मिलने, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, अपने तो दिल का पता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना. Thank you.
Interesting.
Wow.
Good.
Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Showdown, wherein the finalists will get a chance to question the opponent. Alright? Participants cannot answer but justify the answer.
सिमरन तुझा आवाज नाही येत आहे ऍक्च्युली.
Hello? Hello?
हा तू ऍक्च्युली कट झाली मध्ये. तू परत रिपीट करशील?
Sorry, really sorry. So the round two is going to be final showdown, wherein the finalists will get a chance to ask questions to the opponents. Okay. For example, Matin will ask question to Udesh. Udesh will answer the question. The same vice versa. Udesh will ask Matin and Matin answer.
Okay.
So participants will be judged on their answer.
So first, who is asking who?
I would like Matin to ask the first question.
Okay.
What should I ask him about? Like example, please.
You can ask anything that you like. Team?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, you can ask anything.
So I would like to ask how does he handle how? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
We are able
Yeah.
to hear you.
Yeah. So how do I would like to ask you how does he handle the law clients he must be having?
I think he's still studying, right?
Hello.
Yeah, Matin, I think
Matin
he's
is
still
in
studying.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still a
Acha.
student.
Okay. Then uh, what did he do in this whole lockdown period?
Okay. Udesh, you can unmute yourself.
And go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the
Yeah,
question is,
I have done
what
so
did
many
you do?
things. Yeah, what I have done in my this entire lockdown period, I have done so many things, so many creative things, and so many productive things as well. So many funny things as well. I just like, uh, I have made so many. I have recorded so many music videos of mine. I
Can
have
you
made
switch on your
paintings.
video?
Yeah,
We're not
can we
able
see
to
the
see
video?
you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Apologies.
now it is. No, it's
No
okay.
problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Tell us.
Go ahead.
Okay. So I have done so many things as the judges knows that I have made so many paintings. I have made so many sketches also, and I have recorded one or two music videos of mine. And I have done 4 moot courts and many other competitions I have participated. Like this competition is a college fest I have participated in, and say, that's all I did. And I have also learned household works with my mom. I learned
Oh.
cooking. So that's all.
Okay. Okay. That should be it, right, Vedangi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, Udesh, you can ask your question to Mateen. Hello, Udesh. Are you able to hear us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Should I
What is the
ask?
question you have? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. So, Matin, I would like to ask, how can you make your contribution for the empowerment of women in the society?
Interesting.
Nice.
How can I contribute?
How can you make your contribution for the empowerment of women in the society?
Hmm. I can do that by like if I'm like the head of this thing, like I can have the rules and all. Then I would like to give firstly reservations with the increased number of seats, and I would like to that's it maybe. I can't think of anything else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it then.
That's it. Yes. I think we are
Okay.
done.
Thank you
You
so
two
much,
can
both of you.
chat. Yeah. Thank you so much, both
Thank
of you.
you. Bye bye. All the best.
Thank you
Bye.
so much.
All the best. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Much obliged.
Yes. Welcome. Bye.
So, Simran, how many points are we supposed to give them out of 20, right? This round is just for the answer.
This round is supposed to be judged on the answers and the personality trait.
Okay.
The same thing. It was the knowledge, expression, vocab, all on
Yes,
all
ma'am.
those bases. Same
Yes,
same
ma'am.
criteria. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm here about to announce the judges of both the rounds, one and round two.
Hmm.
So first we have Janvi Chheda, making her a total of 59 points from both the judges. Next we have Divya, making a total up to 39 points.
Hmm.
Then we have Nilanjana, making a total score up to 51. Then we have Hetvi, making her score total to 57. And our final finalist, we have Ruchi, making her score. Congratulations, you are into the finals. For the rest,
Okay.
your journey.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Actually, I
Thank
didn't
you so much.
expect that I'll go to final round.
Now from
Thank you
here,
so much.
Simran Vichare will take the lead.
Sure.
Okay.
Congratulations to all the contestants of this round. Now I'll give you guys an overview of what's going to happen in round two. Each and every contestant can ask a question to his or her opponent.
Voice is not audible.
Okay, okay. Simran, I'll just explain them. So, guys, are you able to hear me? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So, according to the results, Ruchi, Janvi, and Hetvi. So, it will go A, B, and C. So, Ruchi is A, Janvi is B, and Hetvi is C. So, A will ask a question to B, B will ask a question to C, and C will ask a question to A.
That means Ruchi will ask Janvi, Janvi will ask Hetvi, and Hetvi will ask Ruchi.
Perfect.
Okay. So shall we begin? Ready, girls?
So, Hetvi, you guys can ask any questions. It's up to you. And for the other participants, a right answer is expected according to that question. And we'll be judging
and
you on
you
that
need to
answer.
justify the answer. You just don't need to give the answer. You need to justify why your answer is right. Like we should feel that,
Right.
okay, this is what it is and this is justified enough. Okay. So keep that in mind. It is a detailed answer, not a brief one.
Yes. So, Ruchi, you can ask your question to Janvi. And I think you guys can be on unmute.
No, I think let the person who's answering only be on unmute. Otherwise, the network issues परत येतात.
Okay. So, Ruchi.
Just the person who's
Yeah.
answering will be unmute. Otherwise, everyone stay on mute only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So yes,
shall I?
yes,
Shall I
Ruchi.
start?
Yeah.
We're not able to see. Okay. Okay.
Super.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll ask Janvi, right?
Right. Yes.
Yes. So before that, I just want to ask one thing. Like, is there any time period or time limit? Like, we have to answer within 1 minute, 2 minutes, or something?
No,
like that?
no.
No, nothing as such.
Okay, okay, fine. So, what I would like to ask Janvi that as we know, the situation of because of the virus is very tough. So, what is her views and why she thinks that people still are not following the rules? Where they are lacking behind? What is their mentality that they are not following the rules? That is my question.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So Ruchi, go on mute and we'll have Janvi answer it.
Thank you so much, Ruchi, for the question. And I feel that there is a lack of responsibility in the people that even after looking at the situation, what's going in and around them, whether be it in their building or anywhere, like if they see the surroundings also, if they know that the surrounding buildings are affected or there are some COVID cases, they are not taking the right precautions for that. And they are just moving around. Okay, we do understand that everyone has the basic needs and they want to go out and shop for the basic necessities, but they don't actually realize that what will be the impact of the same. Uh, Even after looking at the rising cases every day, each and every day, and each and every second, the deaths happening, there's not much awareness, as well as I feel that people are not even that much scared of the same because they are not suffering, or anyone in their family are not suffering from the same. When you suffer from something, and when a person dear or close to you suffers from the same, you can actually feel the impact of that. And I feel that supposing you see the cases of Dharavi, the people are not much literate or something, and also they are living quite close by. So, and they also don't have the correct resources or to take precautions and maintain the basic hygiene, carry mask or wear the gloves and everything, and actually think before doing anything, or like stepping out or take any action, touch anything if you're going outside. So poverty is also a main reason, because like if we also see the cases of the people dying because of just moving out and going towards the villages. That is also like we can see that the corona has a lot of impact, not just on like the deaths or the impact of corona, but also it is in the people who are uh, not able to afford the living or the lifestyle of a metropolitan city, and they are moving towards their villages. So that's what I would like to conclude my point, that people should be more aware. They should be they should be more equipped, and the government should take the right actions, as well as the people looking at the advertisements, and at least if they're seeing outside and they know the current situation, they should take the steps appropriately, or thinking twice before doing anything.
Okay.
Okay. I would just like to add one thing, Janvi. Everything else is fine, perfect. The only thing is now Dharavi has improved so much, and it is
Yes.
actually taken up as a pattern which is trying to be implemented in rest of Mumbai, because
Yes.
Dharavi's situation is very much under control. So even though those
Yes.
people are illiterate or maybe not educated enough, but they are doing their best, and
Yes.
right now they are a pattern that Mumbai has to follow. So right now, that is one thing that you just missed out on. Others, it's fine. But Dharavi is doing really good.
Yeah,
Actor
they're
Really
creators
good.
are,
doing
yeah.
they're doing good.
Otherwise,
I
on
just
point.
wanted to cover the point that initially it actually spread like in
Hmm.
Dharavi, the
Hmm.
cases
Hmm.
were coming in large numbers. So
Right,
keeping
right,
that in
right.
point, I said this.
Yeah, okay. But
Right.
right now, the situation is way
Under
better
control.
in Dharavi.
Yes.
Yeah. It should be implemented in rest of Mumbai. Yes.
Rest of Mumbai.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. And you can go ahead with your question for Hetvi.
Yes.
Okay. So Hetri, my question for you is, um, what do you think are some of the challenges that you face in your life, or what are your strengths and weakness? Basically, you can think in that way, or like some challenges that you think that how will you overcome them?
Just wait a minute.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so Janvi, to be clear, your question is what are the challenges Hetvi faces in her life and how does she overcomes them? Correct?
Overcome.
Right?
And also in regard to corona, like during the current situation, I mean to say that.
Okay, yeah, so
Just
that's
ask
what I'm
one
asking.
question, no?
Yeah,
The
Yes, yes,
yeah.
questions
So,
actually jumbled up. So clear your question once again for Hetvi and for us also.
yes.
yes.
So during the corona and lockdown period, what are the challenges that you have faced, and how have you overcome them?
Super.
Perfect.
Okay.
Janvi, you
Okay.
can go on mute.
Thank you.
Yeah. Corona only. Because I think Corona is a hot topic among girls as well. All
Yeah,
the
I
girls
know.
had the same thing. इसी के ऊपर आज यही
Okay,
पूछेंगे.
fine. I'm going to ask one question.
Hmm.
What are your strengths and weaknesses since your childhood? And what is the
Okay.
change you see yourself from childhood to adult?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is
Okay.
better. Yeah.
Fine.
So, Ruchi, she has
Yes.
asked what are your strengths and weaknesses from your childhood and how have they changed, right?
Okay. Okay.
Changed as in those things have changed or those things have changed her. What is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
The
what is that?
things that have changed her.
Changed
What
Okay.
her.
are the
Okay. Okay.
qualities?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like basically, if we start from childhood to adults, the
Hmm.
childhood process is like when we are child, we don't have any weaknesses. I don't think so. Anybody has any weaknesses. So it's all about the strength and strength part. So like when I was a child, if I have to speak about my strength, then I was like we used to play with our friends like after tuitions, and then I just remember one incident like where there was two twins. One like one was more fair and other one was a little normal complexion, like how Asians we are, Asian color. So the other fair one, we used to call him Gori Gori. Like we used to call him Gori because we were very small. Like I was around first or second or third standard I was in. So that I think that's considered in childhood. uh, so in that that Gori, like that friend was he was younger to us. So हम उसको कुछ भी बोलते थे. We used to tell him कि अपने घर से ये लेके आ, वो लेके आ जाता था. उसके कजिन को पता, मतलब उसके भाई को पता होते हुए भी हम भी उसको अपने टीम में रखते थे.
Just a minute, Ruchi. I think you're again diverting from the topic.
Okay, fine.
We need to know your strengths and your weaknesses and how they have changed you as a person.
Okay.
How have they
Next,
affected you? Yes.
if you don't mind, can I ask one more question?
We only ask one question specifically.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't ask a
Fine.
confusing. Yeah.
No, sorry. Actually, what is like I went into the deep talking about
you
the
do not
strength.
need to go.
So fine.
Strength is like you are confident. You're
It was like I have a fun nature, confidence, and like I was used to gel up with everyone, even from the childhood. And then but I never had a chance. Like my weakness, it came when I was in school. Like in school assemblies, we have to prepare a speech every day. We have to speak in front of at least 50 to 40 people. Like school in our school days. So that time I had a stage fear. Like I had a really bad stage fear. But then when I joined my college, my MBA college, so there we started with our presentations and the group seminars and the video calling and all these things I have learned in a few internship which I have done in my past career. So I think it has really helped me with this because that is the thing. Like I'm sharing my childhood stories with you all guys. Like we are meeting for the first time, but still I have this thing. Like okay, fine, I'll share everything with you guys. So my weakness has come up into my strength. Like I had a stage fear, so this is the thing.
Okay.
And what are your strengths and weaknesses till date? Like now, like we have gotten to know about your adolescent age. What about the age you're in? Like what are your strengths and weaknesses of this moment, and how are you overcoming them?
Yes, my strength and weakness now is that I'm very I go very deep into each and everything. Like just now we had an experience. मेरे को मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है actually.
नहीं हमको भी दे रही है.
It's fine. Like echo आ रहा है, like हर एक का आ रहा है. मुझे मेरी आवाज आ रही है.
हाँ, so yes. So my strength and weaknesses अभी now is that whenever I talk about something or I think about something, I go very deep into it, which I feel is like it is good that I'm going deep into it. But the second thing is that I'm wasting a time. Like weakness is that I'm wasting a time. So it is mixing a thing. But the positive side, what I see is that I'm making something perfect. Okay, I'm utilizing a time, but I'm making something perfect. So definitely it is fine to waste a little time, but obviously it is not good because time is precious. Time is money sometimes. So that is a thing which I work on it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Vedangi, I think we can proceed.
Yeah.
Right. So guys, you three can leave the chat now and let us proceed with the discussion and scores. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
So judges, it's now up to you. Calibration. One winner for girls, one winner for boys.
It was a very long journey for every one of us, and I hardly congratulate to all the participants. They have made a successful reach till here, and now I request the judges to announce the respective. So,
Okay.
Rohit, I think you should go ahead with
Yes.
quiz
Yes.
Miss
Miss
Reflections
Reflections. So
2020.
guys, दिल थाम के बैठिए. The winner for Reflections 2020 is Janvi.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Janvi.
Thank you so much.
We cannot see you.
Okay, yeah.
We want to see your.
Sorry, I forgot to turn on my camera.
Extremely gloomed face.
Yes, thank you
Yes.
so much.
Congratulations. All girls, I
Congratulations.
think they did really, really well. It was very difficult for both me and Rohit to judge you girls throughout the journey. It was amazing,
Yeah.
and I think you girls actually outshone yourself. And today we just had to choose one winner, and that is on the
Yes.
basis of what this round was like. But I think all of the girls have put in beautiful efforts. And thank you so much for participating in Mr. and Miss Reflections
Miss
2020.
Reflections. Yes. Congratulations once again, Janvi.
Thank you so much.
And
Congratulations.
I think Vedangi, you can announce Mr. Reflections.
Yes. So, Mr. Reflections 2020 is one and only Udesh Tiwari. Woohoo! You can unmute yourself and you can talk.
Yes.
Udesh,
Another gloomed face
congratulations.
over here.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Very well deserved.
Thank you.
Very well deserved. Very
Thank
well
you, sir.
deserved.
Yes.
Superb.
Very well
Thank you so
deserved.
much.
And the rest
So
of the
now
guys. Yeah. You're saying something.
So now I request both the judges to give an overview and their experience about this competition.
Okay.
Starting with you, sir.
Okay, I'll go ahead. So, being a part of this college and having seen this festival with my eyes, I was very happy to be on the panel of judges to judge Mr. and Miss Reflections. It was a very beautiful journey, and along with Vedangi, we had a really great time. And yes, that's about it. Thank you for making us part of this festival. Thank you so much.
Ma'am?
Rightly said, Rohit. It was one amazing journey, and I think right from round 1, round 2, round 3, I think we actually felt so connected to all the contestants, and even the management has done really, really good work. All the backhand support
Yes,
and
yes.
all
True.
that work done by the entire team, right from Tejas, Simran, Viraj, and of course, let's not forget
Jigar.
the one and only Jigar. So, thank you so much, you guys. You did really well, and all the participants. I think you really outshone yourself, and you guys did amazing. And thank you so much for inviting me to be on the panel of judges. And I really, really enjoyed this experience thoroughly. So thank you so much once again, and all the best, and congratulations to all the contestants and the winners especially.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much.
Most welcome. Day, evening, well spent.
Well spent. Definitely.
Pleasure is all ours. Had a beautiful time with everyone.
Yes. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Take care. Stay safe.
Bye, guys. Take care.
Take care, everyone. And stay at home. Don't go out.
Now here comes the time when we have to take a part from this beautiful competition. Congratulations to winners. Thank you judges for their valuable time, and my most precious audience, thank you for watching this. Stay home, stay safe.